Hi, I'm Katie Baboso from Channel Insider here at Pax8 Beyond 2024, and today I'm joined by Irwan Kristanto, Managing Director from GITS Consulting. Welcome and thank you for being here.
Thank you for inviting us.
Of course. You came all the way from Indonesia to be here at
Yes,
Pax8
I came
Beyond?
from Indonesia, from Surabaya actually. That's my city.
What makes Pax8 Beyond worth making that trip for?
Yeah, Pax8 become our strategic partner, not only as a vendor, but our partner, because in technology they have a complete solution for us to give best services to our customer. I'm interested to know and meet so many vendors, so many solutions which is show in here. That's why I came here.
We also had some news come out of Pax8 this morning about their marketplace. What did you think when you heard about those changes and knowing that you get access today?
One of our input to Pax8 is to create some solution that make us more independently book by ourselves and also give some service to our customer. And yes, marketplace is the answer.
How long have you been a partner with them?
Almost 2 years since last year. Pax8 team support our team, give some training, some consultation about the licensing and also the product. And also sometimes Pax8 team help me and my team to give some like proof of concept to our customer. So our cooperation is very good, and so far I'm happy with the services. My service especially in Dynamics, ERP business, yeah, and then I see it. Indonesia has several vendor like Pax8 actually, but Pax8 have a complete team that can support us not only in the Indonesian team but also in regional and also in worldwide.
Talking about AI, it is the year of AI truly. How are you implementing AI in your business and for your customers, and how is Pax8 supporting you?
AI become one of the tremendous issue on this couple of months. And because I'm implementing Dynamics from Microsoft, it fulfilled with so many features that the Microsoft can give solution more automatically, and we can implement in the customer business. Yeah. So for example, like do some forecasting about the sales, and also give some predicting about the overhaul of the machine. Yeah. And give some customer profiling, and it implement in our service to our customer. So we are so exciting to develop again about the solution with the Pax8 team, of course, because they have also Dynamics team, and we work together to deliver the AI services to our customer. Because in this time, you cannot work without AI.
How are you prioritizing security or shifting or increasing it this year for your customers? And again, how is Pax8 able to support you in making sure that everyone is not only secure, but compliant?
Before, we are not focusing on the security. We are focusing in business application, in ERP. So we don't have so many teams that expert in security. So we work together with Pax8. They have expert in security. So when we have some issue, we work together with Pax8 team, and they can help us. Of course, we sell to our customer the services, but it's support by Pax8 team. And they give some suggestion, so how to manage the security in our customer system.